this video I'm going to once again be running my own application for Pocket Option Auto Trader. It's a binary option robot that trades automatically for you at Pocket Option. And you can get this application on Google Play Store. You find link below the video. It's a one-click install, super easy. Also, if you want to have it on a desktop, we have a Chrome extension also. You find link below the video for that one also. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. So yesterday I made a huge update. I did update every single strategy, and to be quite frankly, Alpha 1 Safe is one I wanted to make better. I made a video with that one yesterday with updated, did super amazing. Now let's try again to see how it looks like for today. So I will now be running Alpha 1 Safe, one of the strategies that you find on this application. And let's see which type of win rate you get, and I will set a huge target this time. Maybe I go for a record. So let's start up and let's see how we do. And there we have it. We made $5,894. That's a record on this channel. So yes, so results. We got 5 wins against 3 losses, but still it's a 63% win rate. That is good in my book, and did go pretty darn good. So if you want this binary option robot yourself, you find link below the video so you also get started completely for free today. So with that, have an amazing day.